Hello, now welcome to Football and Pidgin. After match, talk about you see Chelsea 0 and Arsenal 1. And we get Oga Mike, we be like say, now him be the Jagaban of Chelsea chairman. Oga Mike, now how you see Chelsea performance for this match?
But the match na big disgrace. Not the losing that they pain person. For almost more than 20 years, I've been following Chelsea and Arsenal. Arsenal never played Chelsea like this. It's not be the scoreline the best person. Now the manner of the play. Why will you be playing tribalism? I wish this guy fit dey hear my voice. I for fit express my mind very well. You are playing tribalism for crying out loud. You get people not supposed to start the match. Love to shoot them mesmerize, they fool your audience from midfield. You leave and there, till the game go AY, because they change them. The match is in a big nonsense. Not be say Arsenal win Chelsea, because Arsenal, the truth is that Arsenal take from past Chelsea now. But not be Arsenal go take play Chelsea. Attempt come be 14 17 4. If you take the game to Arsenal, even if they won't lose. If you watch Mario and Arsenal, Mario take the game to Arsenal. At the end they can't win. Defense Chelsea no play today. Attack Chelsea no play today. Or you play the normal knocky but Chelsea no play. So where you can't take. So the match is a big disappointment.
So you talk say you dey disappointed, yes. And you don't like what you see from Chelsea now. But I want to ask you something as a Chelsea fan. How you, if you want to rate the work where Graham Potter don't do so far for the club, we know say it's still early. Now how you go rate them on a scale of 1 to 10?
The truth is I don't see future in that coach. I don't see future in this Chelsea coach. I don't see future at all. I don't see future now. I don't see future next year. I don't see future for the Trouty contract. If any coach they do tribalistic, say no let men I go they play. Even if they're not there from that coach they go for. Look at y'all look this guy now, Pep Guardiola. Pep Guardiola is the boss of the world now. You can count how many Spanish players there in team. Before you go make Guardiola first 11, you go sabi play ball. Guardiola don't come from somewhere. Abi say no one go walk up. England, not be say England won't go win World Cup. England no go fit win World Cup. If they come out all the top team for the world, England no fit see World Cup. So why suffering at the club where they pay you your fucking salary? So I not see future. I not remember the last time you asked me. I know the person they change math. I say it's too early to rate the coach. But when I don't see the way they play the coach will get future. Thomas Tuchel better person. Thomas Tuchel better person. Today Chelsea lost because of managerial poor approach. The tactics no work. So
I want to ask you about one player we play against the former club today, Pierre-Emerick Aubameyang. I don't know, before this match, him and Arsenal coach normally based on say their belly no sweet when he come up for Arsenal. Before this match, he do one advert where he talk saying they come back. But how you see Aubameyang performance for this match against the former club Arsenal?
Today Aubameyang performance, I don't blame Aubameyang. The coach, let me not use a very harsh word. He mistake, see they follow the coach. He mistake, see they follow the coach. Aubameyang not be the first correction if for two for them. If you want to see the input of Aubameyang. Now, Calvert and love to shake is supposed to come out. Who covers it? Somebody going to take the ball they run. The more they run, the more Aubameyang they enter open space. So Aubameyang no blame her today because how many balls come to Aubameyang? Are you getting me? The balls where they give Aubameyang, now that one way long like wait I don't know. Calvert they play to away. Your top nine for crying out, you're gonna give him ball. So that if he miss or he score, now they'll take ruler, come put her for table, come compare. So now be Aubameyang play today. I blame the coach. I blame the coach. See my 5 finger. I blame the coach. I blame the coach. I blame the coach. I blame the coach. Then the final one, love to shake. They just wasted the effort of Thiago Silva. Where's the effort of the keeper? Where's the effort of Jorginho and other players who say one try to? And even Maximat. They don't waste those effort.
So before I will let you go now, Mike, what do you think say go solve all this kata where you don't count now where you stay there for the Chelsea team right now? What do you think say go solve the problem? The while waiting for Chelsea.
My brother, the team be like he is a clear team. Make the coach go. Make the coach go. No, I not see future in the coach this year. I not see am next year. I not see am 2024. I not see am 2025. This coach, I not sure say he go reach 6 months. See, Arsenal coach wey no get profile, don't get profile. You tell them they give you job. No fit wan use that take get profile. If they do tribalism, wetin of to shoot they do there? Wetin Calvert they do there? Must you put English player? England won't go win World Cup. England no fit win World Cup. So I like Chelsea B. The solution that made them sack this coach, a better passer. Jagaban better pass this coach. A better passer.
All right, now, Oga Mike, thank you for your time.